Hello, welcome to my channel. You can call me Ella. In this video, I'll be listing some basic items you'll need if you want to start sewing. I know a lot of you may want to venture into fashion, but you probably do not know where to begin or what to get. Well, you're in the right place. Now let's get on with it. First on the list is the measuring tape, also known as a tape measure or a tape rule. It is used for taking measurements. One side of the tape is in inches while the other is in centimeters. I'll leave a link in the description below on understanding the measuring tape. The second item is the tailor's chalk. We use this to make temporary marks on the fabric when cutting. Next is the pressing iron. To achieve that perfectly smooth finishing in your outfit, you need to always press while sewing. This gives your clothes a more polished and sophisticated look. The fourth item on the list is a sewing thread. It's always best to use a color of thread that matches your fabric, unless for decorative purposes. Number 5 is the hand needle. We use these when we need to do hand stitching, for example, when we need to attach buttons. Next item is the straight pins, used for holding the fabric in place when sewing. For easy use, we put them in something called a pin cushion. This is just a soft foam material. You can simply use a board duster for this. Next is the seam ripper. These always come in handy when we need to loosen stitches, and trust me, no matter how careful you are, you will need to loosen stitches. To avoid damaging your clothes, do not use a razor blade or scissors. The seam ripper is best for this. Number 8 item is our scissors. You should have one scissors for cutting fabric and another for cutting paper. This is to prevent your scissors from getting blunt. I use the pinking shears when I don't have to hem a fabric, as this gives a beautiful finishing. Number 9 on the list is fabric. There are various kinds of fabric out there. There's the cotton fabric, there's crepe, silk, denim, chiffon, Ankara fabric. And of course, our sewing machine. There's the electric sewing machine and the manual sewing machine. The manual can work without electricity, while for the electric machine, we'll need electricity to power it. Now there's a whole lot more needed for sewing, but as a beginner, these items listed will do. Thank you so much for watching till the end. In my subsequent videos, I'll be doing step-by-step tutorials on sewing. So please subscribe so you can be the first to know when I drop a video. Also, like and share. Thank you.